Hi, I'm Sue Grant and we're just going on board Fruition, Kanter 80. She was built in 2001 and you can see already from her lovely hull lines that she is a Chuck Payne design. She's still with her original owner and you're seeing her at the Palmer Super Yacht Village 2022 looking absolutely amazing. Just going to have a look at the outside first. As you can see, she has no-teak decks, which is fantastic for high latitude, low latitude, serious cruising of all hues, and it also saves weight. She's a ketch rig. She's got main and mizzen are both carbon fibre booms and spinnaker poles. And she also has fully battened main and mizzen, which is fantastic for serious cruising. Cutter rig. She's got powered furling on the front and she's got a big windlass, very useful anchoring arrangement set up. And here is her dinghy, which is an Avon Adventurer with a 40 horse. And she's got an Opakmar hydraulic crane on the aft deck to launch and retrieve it. Granny bars, lovely deck saloon, and she's also, we entered on her hydraulic passerelle, also Opakmar, and she has this permanent bimini, twin steering arrangement, and wonderful protected cockpit there. Let's just have a look at the aft deck. See the hay racks on both main and mizzen booms. And then we're going to go into this lovely cockpit, teak decked, so it feels really comfortable. Large, central, beautifully varnished cockpit table which is refrigerated. And the boat was repainted, including the rigs, recently. Let's have a look below. And here we are in Fruition's deck saloon. Light just floods in. The interior is executed in cherry. You have wonderful vision, this lovely seating area and sofa to starboard, which was actually put in 2019 and makes for a wonderful living space here. We're first of all going to have a look at the guest accommodation and owner's accommodation. Down the corridor, we're just going to turn left into the starboard guest cabin. Twin berth cabin, masses of storage, natural light through the hull ports, which is fantastic. And Ben Cooper from Berthon is waving, he's doing this walkthrough. Large heads compartment, electric loo, and separated shower stall. Really spacious, nice cabin. And its brother is on the port side. Exactly the same setup, same light and bright. Storage cupboards and open storage just everywhere. This cherry is just lovely. There is a burr on the dressing table between the two beds. Please wave at Ben again. And he's just showing you the large heads and shower compartment for this guest cabin. And then we're going to walk aft into the owner's stateroom. Do you see the floors, which are beautiful? Lovely double berth and vanity unit. And lovely sofa and access onto the aft deck. That's a really fantastic thing to have. And then large ensuite for the owner, large shower stall. Fruition's had a lot of work done to her in the last couple of years. A lot of uprates and improvements, and she is looking absolutely amazing, and she's ready to go anywhere. Now we're going to go back up into the deck saloon, and then we're going to walk forward into the lower saloon, which is a mess breakfast area, and you've also got the chart table here, which is a new addition. Of course, she's air conditioned throughout. Again, these lovely signature hull ports which work so well, and because of the small number of steps, there's a great connection between the upper saloon and the lower saloon, and then access into the very good galley area. Control panel here, and Ben's just going to show us the engine room. Here we go. We've got just in front of you, there's a Northern Lights 30 kilowatt generator, charging, HEM water maker, that's new. She's got a Perkins Sabre M2 265 horsepower diesel. This engine room is immaculate. The sound deadening is all new. Just absolutely spotless everywhere. It's more like an operating theatre. Wonderful galley for being at sea. You can easily brace yourself. Mealy equipment, lots of ventilation, wonderful stainless steel surfaces, twin sink. And then this is the crew area. Storage on this side, a new washer and dryer we've just walked past. The crew are just here. You've got a single berth cabin. Access onto the deck for the crew, new Mealy washing stuff. All in the same standard as the rest of the yacht. Nice heads compartment for them. And shower, of course, also. And then there's a twin berth cabin.
You have to give it away.
Thanks so much, and sorry to be in the way. And then we can have a quick look at this. Again, exactly the same standard as the other guest cabins. Loads of space. Natural light from the hull ports. And then down we go. She's got 3 watertight bulkheads. Bottom plate is 7mm, 6mm on the sides. Of course, she's aluminium throughout. Look how the connections between the spaces work so that it's really easy and there's a good flow on the yacht. And then we're going to come up these shallow steps into this outstanding cockpit, and then walk out onto the aft deck with its lovely new paint. And then it's time to say goodbye to the Kanter 80 Fruition for all oceans.